Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help you determine if CBr4, that is carbon tetrabromide, is it a polar molecule or a non-polar one. So to understand its polarity, we first need to look at its Lewis structure. And in the Lewis structure, you can see that chlorine is forming 4 single bonds with 4 bromine atoms over here. The structure is quite simple and it is quite symmetrical. And generally, the molecules that have such symmetrical arrangement of atoms and symmetry in its molecule, these molecules are generally non-polar in nature. But let's look at its shape and further decide if it is a non-polar molecule. If you look at its shape, all these bromine atoms will be placed as far as possible from each other, because as per VSCPR theory, there are repulsion forces between bonding pairs and bonding pairs of electrons, which results in the shape of the molecule such that all the bromine atoms will spread out evenly. As a result, there will be no dipole moment, because all these are spread out evenly and there is no uneven distribution of charges. And as there is no dipole moment in this molecule, there is no net dipole moment in this molecule, it doesn't have any poles, that there are no formation of poles in this molecule, and as a result CBr4 is a non-polar molecule. Even if you look at its distribution of charges in 3D, you will come to know that there are no uneven distribution of charges, and hence it is a non-polar molecule. I hope this video helps you to understand that, and for more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.